In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. If you've hidden a conversation and now need to bring it back, don't worry. Microsoft Teams makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find that hidden chat and restore its message history so you can continue the conversation without losing context. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and going to the chat section. This is where all of your one-on-one conversations and group chats are managed. If you're already in Teams, just look for the chat area in the main navigation and open it. Once you're in chat, move to the search bar at the top of the screen. This search bar is the quickest way to find conversations that may no longer be visible in your regular chat list. Hidden chats usually won't appear front and center, so searching is the easiest method. In the search bar, type the name of the person or the group chat that you previously hid. Be as accurate as possible so the correct conversation appears in the results. As you type, Teams will begin showing matching chats and contacts. If you have several conversations with similar names, take a second to confirm you're choosing the right one. Next, select the chat from the search results. This will open the conversation even if it was hidden before. At this point, you may notice that the chat is visible again, but the earlier messages may still be collapsed or not fully displayed yet. To restore the previous conversation history, click on Show Hidden Chat History. This is the key step that brings back earlier messages from that hidden chat. Once you click it, the past messages should reappear, allowing you to review the conversation and pick up where you left off. And that's all it takes to unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. If you regularly hide chats to keep your workspace tidy, it's helpful to remember that searching by name is usually the fastest way to bring them back. Also, if you can't find a chat right away, double check the spelling in the search bar and make sure you're looking for the correct person or group. Now you know how to quickly locate a hidden conversation, open it, and reveal the full chat history in Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.